Okay, so I was working for a software company, uh, Asperity Services, and we developed a TTSNSTT model for various Indic languages. The demo is here. We can add some red flags, green flags, delete them, and manage them. Basically, we can have options, CRUD operations over the red flags and green flags. Red flags means when two people are talking, like a customer support and a customer. So every sentence a person speaks should be monitored, right? It might be either positive, neutral, negative. It might be a green flag that is very appreciable for that customer support agent, or a red flag that might be if some customer support person uses some profanity words. So that's how we are going to do sentiment analysis. And we are using various models to do sentiment analysis as well. And for transcription, we are using models like Facebook libraries. For these are not fine tuned currently. In the next model, we'll be working on fine tuning them. So if this is the uploaded file, Hindi underscore test, this is a Hindi input, and I want the output language is English. So I guess everything like the start point, the end point time, the text which was transcribed, the speaker, okay, the sentiment was neutral, and this is how we get the whole JSON. Overall sentiment, total positives were 1, neutral was 5, negative was 0, red flag was 0, and output language and dictated language was Hindi. We can also get the input in output language to anything, any Indic language, Gujarati, Odia, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, English, whatever we can do. So this is the TTS model where we can give the text and the source language of the text and the target language we want and the speed. So if this is the input,
Hello, my name is Pandit Kether, a freelancer.
this is currently in English. I can change it to any language and I can send a request.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पुनीत खतर है, मैं फ्रीलांसर हूं.
So now it's in Hindi. So this is what we have developed till now. There are some models which which do not have a proper accent, proper Indian accent. So we'll be working on that in the next milestone. We'll be fine tuning the models by the Facebook, and just making them better in the next milestone based on the customer support's data. So that's the progress for now. This is currently hosted in this server. This is a powerful server. We are using fast API to build the API. That's all for now. In the STT, we are using these modules: Facebook Seamless M4TV to large and MMS lit 1024. I cannot show whole code, but yeah, that's the functionality which we have. Thank you.